Here we are at John's old house. Lyman has since moved in and taken over and fixed up all of the damage I did to it. I'm here to ask him if he can't take me to the Lasaga Volcano so I can steal the Lasaga jet. John refused to do it.
Sure thing, Garfielf. I'd be glad to take you to the Lasaga Volcano. I could get some great wildlife photos there.
Sometime later.
Alright Garfielf, here's the Lasaga Volcano. I'm off to take some wildlife pictures now. Please don't do anything bad.
He's distracted taking wildlife photos. Now is the perfect opportunity to blow up the volcano and get to the Lasaga jet.
You went to Lasaga Volcano and flooded all of Lasaga. I will go to Lasaga Laundry. I'm taking you to court, scumbag.
Lasaga versus Garfielf.
Garfielf the cat is being charged for Lyman to Lasaga Volcano and flooded Lasaga. I will go to Lasaga Laundry.
I didn't do it. How could an obese cat like me do all of this?
I'm so jealous that Volcano Boomfield ruined Lyman's day instead of mine.
Will the Federal Bureau of Lasaga please present the evidence to the jury?
Guilty.
The jury has reached the verdict. Garfield the cat has been found guilty. It's prison time for you criminal scum.
No! Thank goodness I can get a break from that bad hairball for a while.
Meanwhile at the prison.
I knew this was going to happen, so I planned for it. I'm going to spawn in a dinosaur to eat me out of the prison. Now that I've escaped the prison, it's time to have my dinosaur friend eat John and his house for not bailing me out. That's it. My work here is done. Now it's time for me to start planning out some more evil schemes.